RyeWilkes, let's do it, man. Box number, I think we have that one, number 9. Gonna try one of these diamond keys. Number 9. Here we go. 2015 Diamond Kings. Lou Gehrig, numbered to 99. Buster Posey, Ryan, and Jokish. What a Jokish. We have Ichiro, Claudio, and Shafin. Here's hit number 1. Jorge Soler, numbered to 99. Rookie card, double jersey autograph. Studio portraits. Jorge, Liriano, and Taylor. George Brett, Duke Snyder, Adams and Baez. Jorge Soler. Castillo, Escobar, and Lobstein. Number to 25, Anthony Rizzo, Big Papi, Bassett, and Mercedes. Lefty O'Doul, Masahiro Tanaka, Rodriguez, and Arua. Corey Kluber, Caesar, and Vargas. Oh, that was wrong right there. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to keep it separated. There we go. And number 10 of 25, jersey bat, Manny Machado. Manny being Manny, but not that Manny. McCann Herrera. Jonathan Gray. Johnny Bench. Back this way, Corey Spangenberg and Carlos Riviera. Moya, Corsino, and May. And the last pack, Ryan Wilkes, Sandman, Mariano Rivera, Castillo, and Clark. Square them up. There we go. Recap it. Manny Machado, number 10 of 25, jersey bat, and double jersey autograph, number to 99. Jorge Soler, rookie card autograph. And that is it. Thanks, Ryan. I appreciate it, buddy.